going to go see my friend Ron tomorrow and pick up a clock that I bought that he picked up for me and pick up my birthday present. Possibly sell him a clock. But I got this in the mail the other day, and this is that Schmeckenbecher clock that I bought off of eBay, and I wanted to open this box before I left because I get into a bad habit of not opening stuff up, and when I finally do open it up, there's damage, not what I ordered, stuff like that. So I had to open this up before I left. It didn't come with the weights, and I already knew that. It didn't come with the pendulum, and I already knew that. But let me unpackage this, and I'll come back. This is the Hofaunbraus clock. It's got a little bit of work I need to do to it, but I already knew that. And my buddy Ron got into this discussion the other day. I didn't realize there's actually a beer mug on the left side that comes out, and on the right side is a cuckoo bird. Left side, a beer mug. This has got some damage to it where the cuckoo bird's hole is a little bit bigger than what it should be, but I can live with it. Needs some repairs. It would be nice if I had a 3D printer that actually worked. But it's another project. It only paid like $62 to include shipping for this thing. Once I get it up and running, these things sell for $250, $300 plus.